What if I told you this script? A smart home assistant that keeps life organized could become a video with a single click. Let's dive into Pictory and Capcut AI to make it happen. In this video, you'll learn how to use Pictory AI and Capcut AI to generate videos from a script. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, I'll walk you through both tools step by step. Let's start with Pictory AI. This tool makes video creation super easy with its script-to-video feature. First, go to Pictory's website and log in. Choose Script to Video and paste your prepared script about a smart home assistant. For example, meet your new home assistant, a sleek device from reminders, schedules, to grocery list and more, all in one place, organizing your life so you can focus on what matters, your smart home smarter. Automatically generate scenes that match the script, breaking it down by lines or sentences. It pulls in relevant visuals like smart devices and smart home from its built-in media library. You can swap visuals, change the background music, or even add text overlays. Once you're happy with the visuals and pacing, click Preview to check the final product. If it looks good, hit Export, and your smart home assistant video is ready to go. Let's watch the result.
Meet your new home assistant, a sleek device from reminders, schedules, to grocery list and more, all in one place, organizing your life so you can focus on what matters, your smart home smarter.
Now, let's try Capcut AI's smart video generation. It's known for its ease of use, especially for mobile users. Launch Capcut on your phone or desktop, select Text to Video, and paste the same script about the smart home assistant. Capcut will suggest matching video clips and images based on the script content. Capcut's AI will automatically create scenes, adding transitions and effects. It even suggests emojis or stickers, like a mini smart home icon, to enhance the message. If you want more control, Capcut lets you adjust things like clip length, scene transitions, and background effects. For instance, you can slow down the moment where the assistant responds to a voice command, making it stand out more. Once you're satisfied with the results, tap Export, and Capcut compresses the video into a shareable format, perfect for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Here's the result.
Meet your new home assistant, a sleek device from reminders, schedules, to grocery list and more, all in one place, organizing your life so you can focus on what matters, your smart home smarter.
So, which tool is better for creating a smart home assistant video? Pictory AI. Best for those who want a fast, automated approach with minimal editing. Capcut AI. Ideal for creators who want more creative control and mobile-friendly features. Both tools make it easy to turn your script into a polished video, but it depends on your style and workflow. Ready to turn your script into a video? Try Pictory AI or Capcut AI today and see which one works best for you. Drop a comment below with your favorite tool, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video creation tips.